Hello there and welcome. I am Pam Bovey-Armstrong, the coordinator of both the two-year business marketing program as well as the three-year business administration marketing programs. Over the next 3 minutes, I'm going to give you a little bit of info to help you understand the secret sauce of our programs, of the courses, the faculty, experiential learning, and why we're a strong option, especially if you're not exactly sure what you want to do yet. I hope you enjoy. So many students come to us saying that they're interested in business, but they're really not sure which program they should be going into. That's totally reasonable. You don't know what you don't know. So what we've developed is the first year is a general business where you have the opportunity to learn a little bit about all the disciplines, which is also really important, taking courses in business, marketing, accounting, and HR. Hopefully you've joined us for marketing. And in the act of taking some of those other courses, if you decided that in fact you really loved accounting and you wanted to switch into the accounting program, you're able to do so. And without penalty, then starting for your second year. It's pretty awesome. I'd encourage you to check out the St. Lawrence College webpage for the Business Administration Marketing Program as well as the Business Marketing Program. It's quite complete, showing experiential learning, links, meet your professors. We've got a fantastic group of marketing professionals who develop their own curriculum, they mark their own work, and they are there and they care. You also have the opportunity to meet some of the marketing students. We have quite a comprehensive career development program for the students that include emotional intelligence, developing LinkedIn sites, and networking. Big thing that distinguishes us as well is that we have both a second and a third year opportunity for students to do placement where the rubber really hits the road. Big focus, I would say, relative to your when looking at the programs is the curriculum. We have developed extensively over the last 3 years new programs that are really the edge of the wedge. So whether it includes intro to intercultural cultural communications, marketing, metrics and analytics, digital and design, the additionally digital and content marketing into the third year, and again in sixth semester then the opportunity through marketing independent studies to work on certifications that are based upon your interest and a focus to help you distinguish yourself in the marketplace, and marketing planning where you have the opportunity to develop a marketing plan for a business. Team-based learning is part of most of the courses in prep for management and collaboration and group dynamics in the real world. There are many opportunities then for students to showcase their talents both in teams and individually. Competitions are a fantastic way for students to develop confidence and recognize that they have something special relative to a particular area or discipline within marketing. And we have lots of competitions where students can then shine and build upon their portfolios. We were all about getting our hands dirty and experiencing learning in a real way, from placement fairs to networking to all kinds of different credentialing and badges, including Shopify and Stuken, to simulations, which often also are competitive, and capstone projects like the students writing marketing plans for real clients. Additionally, in the sixth semester, students have the opportunity to do an exchange in Ireland at the Limerick Institute of Technology. Having developed skills and confidence over a 3-year diploma, we find many students are interested in pursuing a degree, and we have some fantastic pathways with Laurentian for a Bachelor of Business Administration in a year and a half to 2 years, and with Limerick Institute of Technology in Ireland for a 1-year degree in marketing. So I hope that was helpful. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Contacts are posted here on this page, including mine. You're welcome to reach out. I'm glad to talk to you about any questions or concerns that you may have. I'm really proud of this program. We students come away with skill set that helps them then pursue the careers that they want, and they get jobs. So, any questions or concerns, again, let me know. We would love to see you in the hall in the fall. Take care.